Hello out there, it's your girl Alex, and today I'm going to teach you step-by-step lessons for ballroom dancing. So the first thing you want to know is where your arm should be, your position. So if you're a guy, you have to make sure that one of your arms is behind the lower back of the female, and then your other arm is in her hand. For a female, you have to make sure your arm is resting on his arm, that's on your back, and your other hand is in his hand, of course. So that's one thing to know about ballroom dancing. The second thing that you need to know is that you are the complete opposite of your partner. For example, if the guy is going right to left, the female always goes left to right, and so on and so forth. So that's two things so far: your hand positions and the fact that you're always opposite of your partner. Now lastly, one important thing for ballroom dancing is the fact that you have to move counterclockwise around the dance floor. So I'm going to be using the simple two-step with my arms in the proper positions, and I'm going to go around counterclockwise on a dance floor. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. As you can see, I ended up with the same position that I actually started in because I went counterclockwise around a dance floor. So there's a couple of steps for ballroom dancing.